Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic find that is sure to make lunchtime a delight for your kids. We're talking about the MIRA Insulated Food Jar Thermos, the best lunchbox to keep food hot for kids. This compact stainless steel vacuum lunch container is designed specifically for on-the-go meals, making it an ideal choice for busy parents and active kids alike. With a generous capacity of 13.5 ounces, this food jar is perfect for soups, stews, or any hot meal your child loves. Available in a vibrant purple color, it's not just functional, it's fun and stylish, appealing to kids of all ages. Now, let's talk about its standout features. First up is the wide mouth design. This clever feature makes filling, eating, and cleaning incredibly easy. Parents will appreciate how easy it is to load up with their child's favorite meals, while kids can enjoy their food without any hassle. Plus, the sleek stainless steel interior ensures a hygienic eating experience and effortless cleaning. What truly sets the MIRA Insulated Food Jar apart is its superior insulation technology. It keeps meals hot or cold for hours, so your child can enjoy a warm meal during lunch break, no matter the temperature outside. This is especially great for parents concerned about food safety and ensuring their children get a nutritious meal at school. And speaking of meals, the MIRA Thermos isn't just for hot soups, it's versatile. Whether it's pasta, rice, or even desserts, this food jar can handle it all. Kids will love the variety, and parents will love how easy it is to prepare and pack. Parents also appreciate the BPA-free materials, ensuring that your child's health is prioritized. This product supports a sustainable lifestyle, encouraging kids to reduce waste by bringing their meals from home instead of opting for prepackaged foods. Additionally, the MIRA food jar is designed with a durable finish. It's tough enough to withstand the rigors of a child's backpack and is sweat-proof, preventing any condensation from forming on the outside. You can pack it alongside books and other items without worrying about leaks or messes. Now, let's not forget about the vibrant colors. The MIRA Insulated Food Jar comes in various fun shades, allowing your child to express their style at school. It's not just a lunch container, it's a way for them to show off their personality. Cleaning is a breeze. Thanks to its smooth interior, the jar is easy to wash by hand, or you can pop it in the dishwasher for even more convenience. Whether your child is heading to school, a picnic, or a sports event, the MIRA Insulated Food Jar is an excellent companion. It ensures that they can enjoy their meals at the perfect temperature, making lunchtime a special occasion. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best lunchbox to keep food hot for kids, look no further than the MIRA Insulated Food Jar. It's compact, reliable, and makes meal prep easier than ever. So why wait? Elevate your child's lunchtime experience today. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, so you don't miss any of our future product critiques. Until next time, happy lunch packing.